right, hello Facebook Live, hello Instagram. Hi everybody, it is time for cocktail time with Jamie. It is happy hour, it is Friday. The sun actually started peeking out a little while ago. I know I always look over that way, but that's the way the sun is, or that's the way the windows are, so I can see outside. The sun has gone away a little bit, but it's cold, but it's not like super cold out there today. Let's see. We are open. We have limited reservations. Call ahead. Make sure you call ahead. If you want to sit outside tonight, you're more than welcome to sit outside. We're just not doing full dining outside, and there are not, the fire pit is not going tonight because it's wet out there. So we can always turn on heaters, but the fire pit is not going tonight. So hello everybody. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you give me a thumbs up, say hello so I know that you're here, that would be awesome. We're actually pretty much almost sold out. We maybe have 1 or 2 tables available for the night. Again, we're at 50% capacity, which means we only have about 7 tables plus a few seats at the bar. And we have to close by 10 p.m. now. That is a mandate from the governor. We can do takeout, but you can't do liquor or alcohol after 10 p.m. We're usually closed between 9 and 9:30, so by 10 o'clock we're usually finished, especially during the week. On the weekends it can be a little bit later. So let's see, Sunday, since I'm not on over the weekend, I don't do my happy hour lives. Sunday we have a $9.99 special. It is a shrimp and mussel green curry with rice and broccoli and onions. That is $9.99 to go. So you can call ahead and place your order for that for Sunday. We are now taking reservations ahead of time, but please make sure you give us your phone number. If my staff doesn't ask you, please give us your phone number. If anything changes any night, we need to be able to call you so you know. What else? Monday we have 1 table available, a 2-top or a 4-top for our wine dinner. If not, that is almost sold out. It's Thanksgiving wines. Marcus and our pick. And you can leave with some wine as well for Thanksgiving. Our grocery store is still available. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. I'm going to make this quick because I need to get a couple more things done for the night before we get busy. I'm going to add ice to my shaker. So this is a drink that Michael Davidson sent me from Black Infusions. He makes an awesome fig vodka, a real fig vodka, and an apricot vodka. I love using his product. He's an awesome guy, great company. I highly recommend supporting him, buying his product, getting it at home. We have the fig vodka here. It's $35 a bottle. And this makes awesome cocktails. There's so many cool cocktails on his website. He sent me this cocktail yesterday and said, hey, if you need a cocktail of the day, we got more fig vodka in today, so I am making this cocktail. Honestly, I don't even know the name of it. And he used Moscato, and he said it was sweet, and I'm going to use Prosecco, so it's not as sweet. So you need elderflower liqueur, so we have St. Elder. We're going to use creme de pêche, so this is very similar to a peach schnapps. We have this for sale as well. I love this. This makes an awesome drink. We're going to use the Black Infusions, and we're going to use some Prosecco. Like I said, I've not made this drink yet, so this is my first time making it. So I'm going to add 1 ounce of fig vodka. Actually, I'm going to finish the bottle, because Marcus will want a sip as well. So I'll need another bottle. I'm going to add about a ½ ounce of elderflower liqueur. I'm going to add an ounce of peach schnapps or peach liqueur, okay? And I'm going to top it off with Prosecco. You don't really want to shake Prosecco because Prosecco will kind of splash all over because it has the bubbles in it. So I usually add it at the end. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh, it is good. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Prosecco to it. And there you go. I guess we could call this a Fig Peach Elderflower Spritz, because it has Prosecco, maybe Spritz. So thanks everybody for watching me. I really appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody's support. Hope everybody's getting a drink this Friday, relaxing, enjoying, getting ready for the weekend. If you want to come to Aroma Time this weekend, 647-3000, call ahead, make reservations. We do have groceries available. We have peasant bread from Bread Alone and focaccia bread that just came in. So if you would like to pick up some bread, $5.99, we have that available. We also have ribeyes and sable fish is back in stock. We have wild salmon. We have those great Italian pizzas from Naples. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh, it's kind of nice. Awesome. Let's see, drinks are awesome, yes. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate that. Marcus and I appreciate your support. I see lots of people on Instagram. I see lots of people on Facebook. The restaurant is open tonight. We have a couple of seats at the bar. We also have to social distance at the bar, so can't have a boatload of people at the bar. Our outside dining is available. You are more than welcome to go sit outside. The fire pit won't be going tonight. It's very, very wet out there. Hopefully it'll dry off for tomorrow and we can get a fire going. But we do have inside dining available. I know it says on some of our listings on Google and other places that we're only doing takeout and outside dining, but we do have inside dining available. I'll try to get that updated this week. Let's see, what else can I share with you? Thanksgiving, we are selling quickly. If you would like to get a Thanksgiving meal, it's $27 a person. It includes turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, butternut squash puree. I know I'm missing something. It includes a soup, a choice of black bean soup or sweet potato soup, and some bread. And that is available for pickup from 11 to 2. So we won't be doing inside dining that day. We'll only be doing takeout. Marcus and I, for the first time in many, many years, will be able to sit down with our family and enjoy a Thanksgiving meal. So, and we're talking about Christmas Day already. We will release the price for our trip to the Finger Lakes in January. So that will be coming out soon. We're just waiting for one more winery to get back to us. And that's it. I hope everybody has an awesome weekend. I think tomorrow's supposed to not rain. I think it's supposed to be chilly, but get out there and hike, get outside, get some vitamin D, get some fresh air. Hope everybody's safe out there. And I will see everybody on Monday for happy hour. Have an awesome night, everybody.